Okay, so for our next question, we need to solve the derivative of e to the exponent of negative x. Right. So in other words, we can rewrite the question as when when f is equal to e to the power of negative x, what f dash will be. So before jumping into this question, I would like to first generally talk about the derivatives. So if we have f is equal to e to the power of x, so in this case, the derivative of f will be still e to the power of x. And also for this part, it can also be written as d over dx. Uh, it's just another way of interpreting the derivative. So if we write d over dx times e to the negative x and e negative x with apostrophe, these are all means the derivative of e to the power of negative x. And second thing I want to mention is there exists a chain rule in this question. So if we let f is equal to e to the power of fx, the derivative of f will be equal to e to the power of fx times derivative of fx. So in this question, fx is equal to negative x. So if we want to take the derivative of it, which will be, in this case, will be negative 1. Right. So coming back to the question, if f is equal to e to the power of negative x, then we have the derivative of e to the power of negative x will be e to the power of negative x times the chain rule, which in this case will be negative 1. So our answer will be negative 1 e to the power of negative x. And I'll just share a little bit more about some common function with its derivatives. So if we have, let's say this fx, and that's the derivative. So for any constant, the derivative of it will be 0. And if we have x, just a single x, as our function, the derivative it will be 1. Because we can consider here's a invisible 1 in front of x. And coming up next, we have kx. And in this case, it's just going to be, oh, never mind. It should be x squared. And in this case, we need to take the 2 to the front. So we have 2x. And we need to minus 1 for the exponent part, which will be 2 minus 1, and which is 1. And we can just write as 2x. And for root x, this is going to be 1 over 2x to the exponent of 1 over 2. Since we can rewrite the root x as x to the exponent of 1 over 2. And for the very last one, we just mentioned about, so the ex, which the derivative of ex will still be ex itself. So the answer for this question is negative a to the exponent of negative x. Good work.